Saturn new inflatable fishing kayak for river and ocean, OFK396. Optional bench can be installed between D-rings with lashing tie-downs. Bungee cords in front and rear for cargo storage. Gear tracks allow installation of multiple kayak accessories, fishing rod holders, cup holders, etc. Kayak length 13 feet, width 3 feet, tube diameter 12 inches, weight about 38 pounds. It can be used as a kayak for 1 or 2 persons. 10 heavy-duty D-rings for optional kayak seats and more. Kayak has catamaran hull with the drain openings to let water quickly escape, keeping kayak dry. It has extra thick, drop stitch for food in between 2 inflatable tubes. Kayak has 2 easily removable large fins in the front and in the rear. Both fins can be removed for use in light water type of rivers. OFK396 inflatable kayak is lightweight and can be carried by 1 person. Included accessories: carry bag, kayak paddle, removable fins, hand pump and repair kit. Heavy duty 0.9mm high strength, commercial grade PVC fabric. Please visit www.v2.0.com for more information and click on Kayak's link.